If you had one thing that really reminded you of summer, what would it be? For me, it's rhubarb. Love rhubarb crisp. I love rhubarb pie. All kinds of great things you can make with rhubarb. Today, I am going to grill some rhubarb. We're gonna have grilled rhubarb with some sausage and fried potatoes. Technically grilled potatoes. Come on. I have some great rhubarb growing this year. It's nice and bright red. It's already getting big. Really just kind of reach down in there, grab one. It's about the size we want, about the thickness of your little finger. Some of these bigger ones aren't bad, but they get too big, they're hard to use up. The redder they are, the sweeter they are. If you're not familiar with rhubarb, the leaf of the plant is actually mildly toxic, so you don't use the leaves for anything. You'll cut them off and you'll just use the stem. This is where all the sweet tart goodness is at. Rhubarb, once you plant it, you get your plant established, it'll keep coming back year after year, giving you plenty of delicious rhubarb that you can enjoy pretty much all summer long. Best way to cut your rhubarb is just like that. Rhubarb straight out of the garden. The red part, it's a very delicious, tart, sweet. It's a perfect little pick-me-up treat on a warm summer day. We're going to just sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of the rhubarb. A couple of tablespoons, just enough to coat both sides. We're going to put the rhubarb on the grill. I already got my sausages and my potatoes going on the grill. I started the sausage and potatoes first because it only takes a couple of minutes to 3 minutes per side for the rhubarb. If it overcooks, it gets really mushy. I don't want it to get too overcooked. It only takes about 2 or 3 minutes per side for the rhubarb. So we're going to go ahead and flip it here. This is just some long leg fry sausage, and I quartered some potatoes, put just a little bit of seasoning on them. Man, the rhubarb looks great. Smells wonderful. Everything's looking good. Looks like it's just about ready to come off. We're going to go ahead and take the rhubarb off. Sausage is done. Potatoes look nice and crispy and done. Man, this looks really good. All right, let's get all this food inside. Man, this stuff looks good. Very good. And that's grilled rhubarb. It's super simple. It's delicious. It was great with the sausage and the potatoes. I've even tried it with a little bit of honey mustard dipping sauce. It was fantastic. I really recommend you give grilled rhubarb a try. Thanks for watching, as always. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe.